Uh-oh. Our puzzles are all gone.
Uh-oh.
But that's okay, because I think you're really good at putting puzzles together. So will you help me?
Yeah!
Great. Starting with this one. Here we go. Let's start by gathering all the yellow pieces. How many do you see? Here's one yellow piece, and here's another one. Let's see if we can find a spot for them. Let's try this one here, and this one here. It works. Now let's look for all the blue pieces. I only see one. It's this one, the color blue. Let's put it down here. That looks right. Now let's look for all the red pieces. One red piece, two red pieces. Let's see if this one goes here. It does. And this one must go on the top. And look what it is. It's a helicopter. A helicopter can go straight up into the sky like a big elevator. It can stay in one spot in the air, almost like it's frozen. Helicopters can turn quickly to help people in emergencies. Some helicopters can land on tiny places like rooftops. They can take off without a runway, so they can fly from almost anywhere. Now let's build this puzzle next. Here we go. Let's grab this yellow piece and let's see if it fits here. It does. Good job. Now let's go with this green piece. Let's see if it goes here. That doesn't look right. How about here? That looks good. Now let's go with this blue piece. This looks like it might go here. No, that doesn't look right. How about here? Perfect! The blue piece goes right here. Let's go with this red piece next. Aha! There it goes. Now all we have left is 1, 2 black wheels. And here they are. Look! It's a car! Cars have horns that go beep beep to say I'm here. Some cars can park themselves without a driver touching anything. Electric cars make very little sound, so they are super quiet. Long ago, cars did not have doors. People just climbed in like a little wagon. Some cars had cameras that help the driver see behind them. This is the puzzle we're going to put together next. Here we go. Let's start by gathering all the yellow pieces. Let's see how many there are. Here's 1 and 2. Now where do we put these? Let's try this one here and this one here. No, that doesn't look right. What if we put it here? That looks better. Now let's see if we can find the lighter blue. Here it is. It's a light blue. And I think we should put it in the front. That works! Now let's look for a dark blue piece. I see it right here. Where do you think we should put it? Let's try on the top. That works! Excellent job! There's only one piece left. It's the color red. I bet it goes right here. It does! And look, it's a submarine. Submarines can go deep, deep down where the sunlight cannot reach. They use sound beeps to see in the dark water, like dolphins. Submarines can hide under the ocean for many days. The windows on the deep subs are super thick, so they don't break. Some submarines are tiny, just big enough for one person. Time for our next puzzle. Which will it be? How about this one? Alrighty, here we go. Let's see if we can find a piece that fits in the bottom. We're looking for a piece that's pointy on one side. How about this one? It's the color black and red. And here's the pointy part. Let's see if it fits. It does! Good job! Now let's look for this top piece. It's a square shape. Do you see a square? How about this one? It's the color red and black. Let's see if it fits. It does! Now let's grab this light blue piece and put it here. Does that look right? No. How about here? That looks better. And here is a dark blue piece. There's only one spot left. Let's give it a go. Look, we did it! It's a ship. Big ships are so huge that they look like moving buildings in the water. Some ships have pools, restaurants, and even slides inside. Ships use special maps and computers to find their way at night. Big ships can carry thousands of people at the same time. Their giant anchors are very heavy, heavier than many animals. The next puzzle we'll put together is this one. I think you know what this one is. Here we go. Our next puzzle. Let's start by gathering and counting all the red pieces. 1 red piece, 2 red pieces, and 3 red pieces. Let's see. This one looks like it should go right here. This one seems like it fits perfectly here. And where should we put this one? How about here? No, that doesn't look right. How about here? That's much better. Now let's grab this piece. Look, there are lots of colors here. There's white, gray, red circle, and blue inside. Let's see if it fits here. It does! Oh, I think I know what this is. And here's one more piece left. It's the color orange and yellow. Look! It's a rocket ship. Rocket ships blast off with a big whoosh. They go up, up, up into space where there is no air. Rockets can go faster than any car or plane on Earth. Astronauts feel a big push in their seats when the rocket goes up. When a rocket takes off, the ground can shake from the power. And look, it's our last puzzle that we need to put together. Here we go, our last puzzle. Let's start with this piece. It's the color blue. Where do you think we should put it? Should we put it like this? No, that's silly. How about like this? That looks right. Look at that. It looks really good. Now let's go with this piece next. It's the color red, and it looks like it could be the front of the vehicle. So let's put it here in the front. That looks really good. Now let's grab this piece. It's the color yellow and orange. Should we put it like this? No. How about down here? No, that doesn't look right. How about here? That looks perfect. There's only 2 pieces left. The black pieces. And they're the wheels. 1, 2 wheels. Oh, look! It's a dump truck. Dump trucks carry sand, dirt, and rocks in their big back buckets. The back part can lift up to pour everything out. Some dump trucks are so big, their tires are taller than grown-ups. Dump trucks make a rumbling sound when they drive with heavy loads. Tiny dump trucks are used in playgrounds and gardens to move soil. Here comes the helicopter. Here comes the car. Here comes the submarine. Here comes the ship. Here comes the rocket ship. And here comes the dump truck. Good job putting these puzzles together. You're a great learner.